Let's talk about erection salad. It is a basic statement that what you eat determines your whole body and your sexual health is not exempted as well. Some research has shown that what you eat, like the fruits that men eat, can actually help them to improve their ability, their desire, and also their performance in the other room. I want you to take one thing away from this video today. The one way to a man's sexual health, to a man's sexual performance is through his heart. And that is why in today's video, we are focusing on the foods that can help you to achieve this erection that you desire. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing and you are most welcome to this channel. Please click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos, because you will learn a lot from this channel. And please like this video, share with your friends, as many as you can. You get yourself a bowl, and then we start with my favorite. The top on my list as always is watermelon, natural Viagra. This watermelon is highly important, and that is because it contains something known as L-citrulline, which will be converted to nitric oxide, and this nitric oxide actually help your blood vessels to be open and allow blood to flow freely in them. You see this watermelon, you are not just eating the red part or the pink in it. That is not the only one you're eating. You are eating the whole thing, both the black seed and the rind, that's the white lower part of it. You're eating everything. So you chop it and keep it in that bowl. And the next one is going to be pumpkin seeds. Get yourself a handful of pumpkin seed and add it to this bowl where you have the watermelon. One thing you should know about pumpkin seed is that it is an anti-inflammatory, and it has been shown to help with urinary issues like overreactive bladders, like prostate issues. And that is why you should get yourself a handful of this pumpkin seed and sprinkle it in your salad bowl. In the same bowl, add your arugula. Arugula is a vegetable. This vegetable contains most nitrate among all other vegetables. It has the high amount of nitrate in it, and what nitrate does is that it helps the blood vessels to be open and allow blood to flow freely in them. You will ask me, what is the correlation between your erection and blood flow? It is highly important that there is adequate and the right amount of blood to flow direct into your penis, and this is because that is what will help you to achieve your erection. If there's any issue with blood flow to your penis, then it's almost impossible for you to get an erection. Another vegetable you can add to your bowl is spinach. Spinach contains loads of vitamins like vitamin C, like B6, potassium, iron, magnesium, and all of these are important for your health, especially your heart health. The potassium in this spinach can help you to maintain your blood pressure level, because when your blood pressure level is high, then it is going to affect how your penis is going to erect. Add some blueberries into this bowl as well. If you notice that all the fruits that have been mentioned in, they are all darker and fleshy in nature. Let me tell you why we are focusing on darker and fleshy fruits. This is because these fruits that I have mentioned, they are antioxidants. That is not the only thing. Additionally, they contain flavonoids, and flavonoids is something that actually helps with your erection, because research has shown that men that consume foods that are rich in flavonoids, like blueberries, like apple and other ones like that, they have lower risk of having erectile dysfunction. 14% of men that consume this flavonoid rich food, they are less likely to develop erectile dysfunction as compared to other gentlemen that do not consume these foods that are rich in flavonoids. Also, you can add beetroot to this salad bowl. Beetroot help with producing nitric oxide, and nitric oxide, you know what it does already, and also it helps to lower estrogen, and anything that lowers estrogen in the body will definitely help out with the testosterone. And you already know that nitric oxide help blood to flow easily and freely in the blood vessels. If you don't mind the smell of fresh garlic, you can chop some fresh garlic into this salad bowl, and this is because they also help to dilate the blood vessels. They help to prevent plaque from forming. They help to prevent the blood vessels from hardening, that it will be easier for blood to flow freely in them. And as well, they help to regulate your blood pressure. But sometimes because of the smell, you might not really enjoy it. But if in case you want to eat it or something, make sure to brush your teeth before the so There are some other fruits that you can add to this bowl, like apple. You can choose to add it to it as well. You don't even need to put some dressing, but if you want to, you don't have to add dressing to this salad. You can choose to eat it the way it is, or if you want to spice things up, you can squeeze a little bit of lemon in it just to give it some acidity, because of the sweetness. I'm sure some of the fruits are a bit sweet. You can choose to blend it as well. If you don't want to eat it as fruit, you can blend it and make it into a smoothie, but do not juice it, because if you use a juicer, is going to what you have is just water. You will not really get the nutrients content that you're supposed to get from the fruit. You will not really get it. So it is better to either eat it as it is, or you blend it into a smoothie and drink it like that, so you can get all the nutrients that you need. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Please like and please subscribe to the channel if you have not. I will link some other videos in the description box, so you can watch them after this one. And as well, I will list out the names of the fruits in the description box, so you can list them out and get it. And yeah, if you have any other question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll be there with you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.